when should I cut product pages placement modifiers? Technically, you cannot cut these modifiers. There are 3 placements: right top of search, product pages, and rest of search. And the way how this works, Amazon is going to show your product on any of these. Now, while technically you cannot cut placements, what you can do is you can make sure you are showing up on other placements than that. And the way how you would do this, for example, let's say for top of search, it works really well, the advertising campaign, then we would increase top of search. Or for rest of search, if it works really well, or for product pages, it works really well, then we are going to add additional percentage placement on the placements that work fine for us. Now, in case that none of the other placements work fine for us, clearly it's going to be a bid reduction. We're not even going to consider what to do next. And if even after the bid reduction, we don't see the results that we were looking for, to get sales at around break-even e-costs, especially if this is a discovery type of campaign, then we are just going to pause the campaign. So in this sense, you cannot cut specific placements, but you can modify where does the spend go.